A team of scientists in France has developed a weather-controlling super laser that can be used to divert lightning strikes away from buildings and other structures. The laser is able to create a virtual lightning rod, which guides the currents of lightning into the ground, thereby protecting power stations, airports, launch pads, and other structures from disaster. The device, which weighs about 5 tons and is the size of a large car, can fire up to 1,000 pulses per second. To test the laser's effectiveness, the team installed it near a telecommunications tower in the Swiss Alps, which is usually struck by lightning about 100 times a year. Lightning rods were invented by Benjamin Franklin in 1752 as part of his groundbreaking exploration of electricity, and they're still in use today. However, installing them is often impractical. They only combat the direct effects of lightning strikes and can cause electromagnetic interference and voltage surges in devices and appliances.